Hey, welcome back to Fun Cooking with Knox. I am your host, Knox, and I would like to welcome you to my beautiful backyard. Yes, today we are going to cook outside, and what I'm having today is Lechon Kawali, and I am going to teach you how to do that step by step. All right, what I have here is pork belly. So I got my pork belly outside. I yes, outside from the refrigerator. So I bought my pork belly in our local Asian store, and what I'm doing over here, I am going to cut this. I am going to cut our meat. So we just have to cut this one like so. Now I love anything cooked with pork. Pork is the bomb. So we are just gonna cut this one into 3 pieces. Okay. And then what we're doing here is to we are going to boil this one for 30 minutes, and then after this we are going to deep fry it. Okay, so I'm on my last piece and I'm cutting this, and after it we are going to let it boil. We're going to boil this one for 30 minutes with salt and pepper. So what I have here, I have already preheated my pan, and I am going to pour this. I have 3 quarts of water, and I'm just gonna put it in here. And then we are just going to put our meat and let it boil for 30 minutes, okay? I think 2.5 will be okay, because my pan is a little bit small. So we're gonna put our meat in here. This is like one of my favorite. I love Lechon Kawali, and I hope you like it too. So this time we are going to season with salt and pepper. Our pepper. All right. So I'm laughing right now because when I decided to make this outside, that's when everybody's doing their mowing. So I hope you can hear me. All right, we're just gonna cover this one, and we're gonna wait for 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes, so let's see. Oh yes, it is done. So what we're gonna do, we are going to scoop it out and let it dry. So we are going to let this one dry, and after this we are going to fry it, okay? So let's just take it out from our pan. So funny, guys. This is so funny. Everybody's mowing their yard today. And I can't go back inside because I already started out here. So I have a paper towel over here, and what I'm doing is I am going to dry our meat on. You don't want splatter all over your face. So, and I'll get another piece of paper towel, and then we are gonna tap it. I'm just gonna tap, I'm just gonna tap, and at least you'll take all the moisture out, okay? Then after this, we're gonna season again with salt, and because pepper is already in there. So yeah, let it dry. Make sure that it's dry. Tasty. Not a lot. So just let it soak. All right, this time I am going to put our oil. So I put it 425 degrees, and then I'm gonna pour the oil over here. And after, when it's hot, we can go ahead and fry our. So I think our oil is ready, so we are going to put our first meat. I hope this will not gonna fried meat to the moon. Woohoo! That's why I don't like this. Cause it's gonna splatter. It's gonna splatter. And I don't like splattering. Ah! I told you it's gonna splatter. That's why I cook it over here outside, because it's gonna splatter. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! Ah! Okay, we're gonna cover this one as soon as we put everything in here. Because I can't stand this splatter. Ah! Woohoo! Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. Oh, okay, ready, get set, go. I need a longer tongue. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip it. Flip. And then we're gonna cover it again because I don't like splatter. Oh my goodness. The price of word. Let's see. All right. Oh my word. Oh, this is so fun. Oh. Oh my word. Okay. All right. I think I flipped every single one. Maybe that one. All right. Oh. That was something else. Our pork is almost done, so we'll just make it look brown. And after this, we're almost done. After this, we're done. Okay. We'll get our paper towel, and then we're just gonna put it in here and let it cool off. Then after that, we are going to double fry it. Okay, we fried it. And we're just going to leave the temperature on our pan as it is, because it's already 425 degrees. So we are just going to take it out and let it cool off, and then we are going to refry it, okay? Alright, it's about 10 minutes now, so I'm ready to put it back in our deep fryer. So just put it back. You know what? Let's just use our hand. Easy. Alright. There you go. I hope this one won't splatter. And then I'll be in trouble. Oh, let's just put it back. And let it fry it again about 10 minutes. So, and then we're done. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already done. It's brown. And alright, we're just going to turn our heat off, and then we'll just continue taking all this one. Alright, I am so excited to try this. Ooh, this looks so good. I want to try it. Mmm. Oh, that was so much fun, guys, with all the splatter and everything. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I have my new latest video. And thank you so much, and I love you guys. Thank you. Mwah. Mwah.